So we'll be talking about the 3 ways to use this Power BI amazing tool, right? So let's head over to the presentation. I'll talk about this. It's going to be a theoretical video. Will give you very good insight. Let us just focus together. Let me just minimize my face cam over here, and here we go. So we'll be talking about 3 ways to use Power BI. Very interesting. The very first way to use Power BI is the Power BI desktop application. Now, note it, this is an offline program. Offline, which you need to download on your machine and you have to use it. Very important, this is actually for the person who is a report builder, just like you or me. We are going to build an entire report, modeling everything. So 80%. Remember, 80% of the things that you are going to do for Power BI in Power BI will be here in this Power BI desktop application. We'll be using this program, this application a lot. 80% of the time we'll be devoting it to this. Dex, data modeling, data visualization, everything we're going to do over here into this, right? Now, this is the first component, the most important one. Then the second one is Power BI service. Think about it. You created the report, right? Now it is still offline because it is on your Power BI desktop application, which is an offline. After creating the report, you have to share it with someone. Someone means maybe your colleague to collaborate with them, or maybe the consumer of the report, the stakeholder for whom you're actually building the entire report, right? So that is a cloud-based application. Power BI service is a cloud-based application where you push your report and from there it can be accessible through any device. So that's Power BI service. We have an entire module for the same. So we'll be talking about that in detail also. And it has been used by the developer, as I mentioned, and by the consumer of the report, because ultimately consumer of the report, those who want to see the report, they won't be able to do it into your Power BI desktop application because that is offline. If you want to share it with someone, you have to put it onto the cloud, which can be accessed through any device. The third component or the third way to use Power BI is through a mobile application. If you use iPhone, you can simply go to their store and download Power BI application. If you're using an Android, you can simply go to Google Store and you can also download the application. I would appreciate if you can keep that downloaded into your phone, because once we are done building the model and the moment we'll publish it onto Power BI service, then time onwards you'll be able to see the report onto your mobile application, right? And this is for the report consumer. Ultimately, consumer of the report, they can simply go through it on the go, whether they are in a metro, they are in anywhere, right? They are just traveling. They can simply go over there, check it out, and just make the informed decision. They should know what is happening around that. So this is about the 3 ways of using Power BI desktop the entire Power BI application. Thank you.